Okay, friends. So today we are going to discuss on a very interesting subject, that is options, butterfly, strategy trades. The video title is Live Paper Trades. Interesting information. These are basically risky trades, little bit risk involved in options. Yeah. So if you see this, now first thing you need to check in the morning or before trading the trade is the Nifty levels, where it is going to end of the. If you are taking the position for the day, you need to check what at what price the Nifty is going to close. If for a month, then what levels it is going to check close for the month. Yeah, then once you decide upon it, check the open interest max, as it open interest max will give you the resistance and the support levels for that particular option chain data for the monthly series or for the weekly series which you are referring to. Once the direction is confirmed, select the butterfly which suits your requirement. Okay, once you select the option, then options are difficult thing without experience and knowledge. Take it into writing and do paper trades first for the first 3 months. Yeah, it's very important in order to make less losses eventually going to happen if you are going to trade in options. And if you're not keeping your stop losses, or if you don't know what you're doing, then you're going to incur losses, huge losses in fact. So this is basically the option which we are trade which we are taking. Just have a look at it. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम लोग ये ऑप्शंस पे ट्रेड ले रहे हैं। करीबन स्पॉट चल रहा है निफ्टी का स्पॉट चल रहा है 14764 पे। तो इसको हम लोग सेल करेंगे कॉल को। ये सेल हो गया। फिर जो इसका पुट है सेम स्ट्राइक प्राइस का, उसको भी हम लोग सेल कर रहे हैं। ओके, एक एक लॉट। ओके, और इसी सीरीज का दूर का एक लाइक 15,000 का कॉल हम लोग बाय करेंगे। तो ये हमारा हैज हो जाएगा। ओके, और यही सीरीज का 14,600 का पुट भी हम लोग बाय कर लेते हैं। Okay, so this is basically the trade which we have taken for today, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is basically the payoff chart. हमने दो सेम स्ट्राइक प्राइस 14,800 का कॉल पुट सेल कर दिया, तो प्रीमियम हमारे पॉकेट में आ गया। और हेज करने के लिए 15,000 का कॉल बाय कर लिया और 14,600 का पुट बाय कर लिया। तो इसमें हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ प्रॉफिट 17% है। मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट आपका 14,000 होगा, मैक्सिमम लॉस आपका 900 रुपये होगा, और आपका ब्रेक। So here the profit, maximum profit is defined, maximum loss is defined, and the break even levels are defined. So break even is from 14,612 to 14,988. So if it is closest between this during the month, then you are in profits. If it goes up or down, the maximum loss will be 900 and profit will be maximum 14,000. Yeah, so this is how this trade has been taken, just to understand. Yeah, in a simpler way। इवन यानी आप प्रॉफिट में रहोगे जब तक निफ्टी 14,612 और 15,000 के बीच में रहता है, तब तक आप प्रॉफिट। तो करीबन हम लोग 300 रुपये प्लस में है। Okay, so this is the basically screenshot of the trade which we have taken. We have sold call as well as put of this in the money call options. Yeah, we have bought out of the money 15,000 call, and we have bought 14,600 put, in order to hedge the position which we have taken, because it is a naked sell which we have taken. Okay, so this we need to track. When we took the position, after taking the position, it was positive by 303 rupees. Okay, and after this we'll be tracking on a weekly basis or every 15 days, just to ensure what is happening. Even if we need to square off, considering market going way high or way down, then you need to square off the positions, yeah, based on your risk appetite. Okay, so let's keep on tracking. I'll keep on updating on this trade particularly. Position. अगर आप रिस्क लेना चाहते हैं तो मंथ का वेट एंड तक वेट कर सकते हैं कि आप प्रॉफिट में आ जाए। ओके, तो ये था निफ्टी ऑप्शंस पे। Okay, so this was basically the IR butterfly spread. It is created by buying out of the money put option with a low strike price, writing an at the money put option, and writing at the money call option. So we are short selling this at the money call options, put options, and buying out of the money put option and buying out of the money call option at a higher strike price. This results in a trade with a net credit that best suited for your lower volatility scenarios. The maximum profit occurs if the underlying stays at the middle strike price. Okay. The maximum profit is the premium received, and maximum loss is the strike price of the bond minus the strike price of the return call less the premium received. Yeah. So this was what the example I gave in my earlier video, but we have done it. We have already taken a trade. Yeah, maximum profit, maximum loss, probability of the chances of the trade going right. So this is basically option tips. Option is short-term strategy. 0 becomes 100, 100 becomes 0 in few minutes. Options are very risky. Don't trade unless you understand what you're doing. Newcomers should always hedge the position when trading options and never carry a naked positions in options. Time plays an important role when trading in options due to decay. That's the reason some risky traders consider time decay as an opportunity by taking naked sell position and making money out of it. Options are not recommended unless you understand it completely. Do paper trades for first 3 months to understand the pain in options. It's your hard-earned money. Don't gamble. This is the disclaimer I put after every video. This is for educational purpose. This is not a stock recommendation. I'm merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on any instrument, and I'm not a SEBI registered advisor or an analyst. Okay, friends. So this was a simple trade which you have taken. Let us see how it goes on options. Okay. So this is basically a paper trade demo, you can say. Yeah. Okay, friends. Hope you like this video. Thank you.